Codesignal. Arcade. Find email domain. Hello everyone, my name is Joshua and I'll be solving this question. Find the email domain by Codesignal. Anyways, let's begin. An email address such as john.smith@example.com is made up of a local part, john.smith, an @ symbol, then a domain part, example.com. The domain name part of an email address may only consist of letters, digits, hyphens, and dots. The local part, however, also has a lot of different special characters. So here you can find a bunch of examples of correct and incorrect examples. Alright guys, you can take a look at this one. I already took a look into this. So feel free to pause. Okay. And you can see that there's invalid because they have no that @ symbol or direct to. And they don't have, there's not supposed to be any of these special characters in the local part. Okay. There's quotes. Spaces, quotes, and backslashes may only exist when they have a backslash. You can see all those examples. Let's begin. And alright, they'll given a valid email address. Oh, so basically we didn't really have to look into this link. We just need to know that we just need to get that domain part. So let's begin. Alright, so basically we're given this whole email address and we just want to have this domain part. I think this is actually quite simple than it looks, especially if you're using Java. So what we can do is, what we need is to find the index of this direct to symbol, and we only want the string right after. Now how can we do that? So I'm going to probably see if I can do this in one line. Return address dot last index of, and we can just do that & symbol, and then with that in mind I can do int index equals address at last index of. Okay, so we have that index of that last index of the @ direct to symbol. Now we could probably see if we could return that part address dot. We can use the substring method, and instead of just starting the index method, which would be including this & symbol, we just want to do one index after that one and see what happens. Oh, that's good. Awesome. This is great. You know, you can do this in one line, but to make this understandable, I prefer, if I were like a new person looking at this, I could say, okay, we're changing the index with this @ symbol, and we just get the index right after that one. So, I mean, you can make this all short and dandy like a hackathon student, or you can make this nice and dandy and be a gentleman in code. Anyways, guys, I hope you like this content. If you have any questions, please comment and I was supposed to say subscribe. But anyways, if you do, I'll give you the email to the President of the United States. It could be President Trump, Obama, Clinton, Abraham Lincoln, any president email address. And yeah, you'll get to ask him all the questions about Area 51 and all that stuff. Just kidding. Have a good day, guys.